Good evening to the resource person for today's session, Dr. Vivek Nanoti, Director, Engineering, LTJSSS, Priyadarshini Group of Institutions, Nagpur. Our HOD, Dr. Swati Rahate, all the participants, faculty members. On behalf of Department of Business Administration, Julelal Institute of Technology, Nagpur, I welcome you all for this 5-day online MDP on enhancing employee performance through leadership and supportive environment. Management or executive development is a prominent area of human resource management. This MDP is designed to strengthen the relationship between managers at all the levels, including the faculty members. The aim of this program is to transform managers or say faculty members belonging to intermediate management level into successful leaders. So objective of this MDP can be summarized as developing mutual trust, cooperation and understanding to foster teamwork, improving decision-making abilities with regard to customer satisfaction, relationship with employees, vendors, and productivity to the organization, ensuring personal growth, which involves increasing the tenure of managerial employees and shaping their future career by giving them scope to grow. As we embark on this journey, we encourage all the participants to approach each session with an open mind, curiosity, and willingness to challenge yourself. Remember, the true value of this program lies in connections you make, the insights you gain, and the actions you take to apply your new found knowledge in your respective roles. Once again, I welcome to our management development program. We look forward to an enriching and rewarding experience together. Today's session is on the topic employees' performance and organizational effectiveness. And we are very fortunate to have Dr. Vivek Nanoti as our resource person for today's session. He's the director of Priyadarshini Group of Institutions. Dr. Nanoti brings with him a wealth of experience and expertise in the field of engineering, education, research, and administration. I know he doesn't require any kind of introduction as we all know him very well, but with the 31 years of experience in teaching, research, and administrative roles, he has held prominent positions including Principal of Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, and Professor and Dean at Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Nagpur. His contribution to the organization, such as Indian Society of Technical Education as National Executive Council member and Secretary cum Treasurer of IST Maharashtra Goa section, underscore his commitment to the advancement of technical education. His dedication to excellence has been recognized with numerous awards in his credit, including the National Best Teacher Award and Bharat Jyoti Award for Excellence in Education and Research. His extensive research in material science with specialization in nanomagnetic material and hexaferrites. Moreover, Dr. Nanoti has presented his research findings in 78 papers at national and international conferences, showcasing his active involvement in disseminating knowledge and engaging with peers in academia, which has resulted over 144 publications. So his research endeavors have been further supported by his role as convener of numerous international and national conferences. Moreover, during the pandemic lockdown, Sir has committed to knowledge dissemination, remained unwavering as he delivered over 350 webinars attended by participants from 26 countries, 30 plus cities in India, covering a diverse range of topics. With his extensive experience, profound expertise, and passion for education and research, Sir promises to deliver insights that will enrich our understanding and inspire action in today's MDP session. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Nanoti to the platform.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Over to you now.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Mubina, for inviting me and all that introduction. Good evening, everyone, all those who are in this virtual seminar hall. And yes, the topic is very close to my heart because, people talk about like I have done doctorate. People talk about like maine ye kiya, wo kiya, and somehow the career doesn't speak like that. I have done doctorate. I have like for me, it was like, people are like, I have produced 4 or 5 PhDs under me, and I did MBA and MBA, and I have been this and that. But finally, the productivity of an individual, the kind of leadership which needs to enhance the performance of this thing is very, very essential, and it's a multi-dimensional thing. Either it is leadership or teamwork or organizational growth structure. This is a very complex topic, and a lot of things can be talked about, but we will touch upon some few important aspects which I feel, whether you are a teammate, a leader, a follower, whether you are an active member of that department, any department for that matter, it can be industry, it can be academia. If you are an committed member, if you really want to perform and you are maintaining your growth mindset, then I'll see to it that I'll share something which will be useful for all of you, and I'll share few tips which will make you decide, which will help you to jump upon that growth mindset. If you grow, your organization will grow, right? If you make others grow, your organization, your department, your institution, your academia, your university, your industry, your profile will get enriched and profound. So the point is how to do that. You have to work upon yourself, understanding, going through all such things. I'm presenting my presentation. Just a second. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
PPT is,
Yes, sir,
presentation is visible.
yes, screen is visible, sir.
Yeah. So, perfect blend of right leadership and growth culture is the mantra for success. Everyone in organization should think of first his growth, and finally how his growth can, complement the growth of everyone. Is something which is so important. Like, if I remember my journey, I was like, I have been into teaching. It was a teaching profession which I started way back in 1991. So it's 32 years now. But 32 years, I have been always seeing to it. I used to love admin. I used to love administration. I always find myself as a, I should not, say like that, but I always find I can be a good leader. And that is how. But I was an ad hoc lecturer. We all start our culture, our career as an ad hoc lecturer. I'll just request all of you one thing about these slides. I'll just introduce myself in the chat. Let us use chat as our medium. Introduce yourself as your name will automatically come in the chat. I just want all of you to write down your specialization. My specializations I'll write down as, for this particular session, is soft skills, management skills, green economy. I'm writing my favorite subjects. So I'll request all of you to write down, use chat so that we can feel we are interacting, right? Post pandemic, we are habitual to online sessions, but to make that online session, we will learn from each other. I know. So I have written my 3 important favorite subjects: soft skills, management skills, green economy, and more important, I have worked for 4 years into social entrepreneurship. Those are my, favorite subject: entrepreneurship and innovation. So, these are like, so Pranjali madam saying finance and HR. Yes. So you can start writing, mentioning your own specializations fast as possible, so that we can even think of collaborating with each other for certain expertise. It's an era of collaboration and marketing. Rutika is HR and marketing, Koshika finance and HR. You can write specific topic also within finance, within HR. Within HR, you are good at what? So Rutvik, yes, finance and questions. So good. Ankita, HRM and soft skills. Ankita, yes, my topic. Shraddha is like HRM and industrial psychology. Yes, that's a different topic. Kalyani, Bante, marketing and administration, analytics, finance, marketing and business. Great. So keep posting something about my slides also, which I'll be sharing with you in next 45-50 minutes, so that we can brand management, my favorite subject. I have like delivered hundreds of sessions on self branding and all kind of branding. So it's close to my heart topic. Poonam madam is like healthcare system. Great. Vaishnavi is in HRM. Come on, thank you so much all of you for responding my request, and keep posting something on the chat. So let's make it more interactive. Now, first of all, everyone should bear. I mean, we say I'm not a leader. I'm just heading a department in which I have only 3 people under me. So what? And these are leadership skills which we feel everyone should have, or rather every single employee should have these following skills. And there can be 100 more. Communication is the heart of everything. The way you talk, the way you present, the way you walk, the way you wear the clothes, the way you wear your smile, the way you wear your confidence, the way you show your negotiation and logical thing. I mean, come on, that is the communication is something top skill among all skills in the world, I feel. I have like delivered more than 1,000+ sessions maybe on communication skills pan world. So communication skill. Second is empathy, strategic thinking, creativity. Yes. You will say like, I'm not creative or I'm creative. There are people with left brain and right brain. The right brain people are like more creative, more, intuitions way they go. They can visualize what you cannot see. And, they are artistic people. They can understand the connection. Emotional quotient is very balanced with them. So empathy, creativity. I was not knowing like, my favorite hobby is traveling and learning and taking such sessions. Pan world, like I've been traveling to so many countries for so many different purposes, for so many different subjects which I have been learning and delivering at the same time. So it's all a journey about learning, and be a lifelong learner. We always tell time management. I'll take some 2-3 important points which everyone misses. Time management is the life management. I tell you, it's a career management, it's a life management, it's a relationship management. Time. Everyone in this world today needs time. Mentorship. Yes. Are you a good mentor? Are you a good mentee? Is something which is so important. Flexibility. Let's not be rigid. Conflict resolution is again a very, very important topic close to my heart. I had been like taking sessions in VIA, VMA, and many management organizations where industry organizations have talked about conflict resolutions. Most of the time, our interest conflict. But that doesn't mean we can't work together. Those are our personal opinions. Let us agree to disagree with each other and understand the importance of each one's opinions, suggestions, initiatives, responsibility, delegation, reliability. Yes. People always say कि बहुत अच्छा है, अच्छा कर रहा, काम अच्छा कर, reliable नहीं है. कब छोड़ के चले जाएगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पता नहीं, कब जरा सी बात पे नाराज होकर पेपर डाल देगा. Reliability, time management. He may not meet his work is very good, but he may not meet the deadlines. Meeting deadlines, time management has become. So these are various skills which we feel every one of should have these leadership skills, because in life, if you are planning for growth means leadership. If you really want to grow, growth is leadership. The moment you shift from one post to another to next, like when I started my teaching career as an ad hoc lecturer. Those days were lecturer, 1991 I'm talking about. उसके पहले भी contributory lecturer, CBH, 10 रुपए मिलता था 1 घंटा पढ़ाने का, 10 rupees per hour per lecture. That was the days like 1991 I started my career. Clock hour basis, CHB. 10 rupees per lecture. And a session lecture was very tough. MSc students को पढ़ाना है. Already government in college के brilliant बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. And that was a task for against getting 10 rupees. It was an amazing experience. That paid me, that experience paid me so much. So I started with that ad hoc lecturer, and then slowly I found that no, if I really want to implement something, if I really want to impress upon, if I really want to influence the entire organizations towards growth, then I need to be at a higher position. Unless I am able to take decisions. And I slowly started, like I knew that I had like 4 or 5, I was 6th in my department. Can you believe that? I was 6th in my department. And all 5 members were very senior, doctorate and all that. And it was a challenge कि मैं तो lecturer ही रह जाऊंगा. क्योंकि अगले 5-10 साल तो associate professor की भी, next was assistant professor those days, 5th पे. So assistant professor का भी कोई chance नहीं था. But God's grace, I understood that no, if I can display my leadership's qualities, if I can tell I can handle people, if I can tell I can handle an event, if I can tell and express an
Excuse me,
immensely...
sir, I'm disturbing you, but your PPT is not visible. So I think you have shared, but the screen is something else.
What? Leadership is not seen?
No, sir, the PPT is not visible. The screen you've shared is something else. It is a mailbox, I think.
No. Is it? No, you have to refresh. That was like earlier screen. Everyone, can somebody, someone else also comment?
No, sir. Actually, we only can see your mailbox only.
Oh, this is how it has happened. Like, sorry.
Please share
Sorry.
it.
So you should have stopped me earlier.
I'm sorry. I thought you will be sharing soon. So.
No. Just a second. Let us check now.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
You should have switched on and not an issue.
Yes.
I shared it. This was our first slide. Yes, that is like blend of leadership and growth culture. Like you have heard what I have been telling. Yes. And the second important skill sets which we were talking about are 15 I have placed on my screen. But, thank you for that. I mean, I don't know. It was seen on my screen. Shared screen as this only. Fine. This is technical glitch. Okay. So leadership skills, like you can see now, it starts with communication, feedback, responsibility, recognition of mentorship. All these skills are extremely important. And then you can be a junior most team member into it because you have to reach to the leadership program. Otherwise, you will not gain. I remember like मेरे को जब मैंने lecturer शुरू किया था तो 5 लोग सामने थे. I was just sharing that, and I thought I'll never become an even head of my department. I was a physics faculty, and I thought that I cannot be even becoming head of the department of physics department because there are 6 people who are senior to me. And then I talked to my principal, sir, I cannot work like this. I want to lead. I want to, implement my own decisions, my opinions, my suggestions. I have so many plans. He said, fine. Whatever plans you have, my principal was great, Dr. Professor Uday Gadkari. And he said, Dr. Vivek, you come down to me, share all your plans. Let us see, I'll share some other new post for you. कुछ तुम्हारे लिए करते अगर तुम्हारी बातों में दम है, तुम्हारे goals में दम है, तुम्हारी leadership attitude में दम है, तो let us do something. And then he called me, I shared, and I became immediately within 2 years, he gave me a cabin in administration, and I became an academic monitoring in charge. So I could get a chance to become an academic monitoring in charge of an entire institution with only 3 years of experience. And then that journey started, and I understood that, yes, I can handle these. And slowly within few, and then the journey speaks about it, like I became, assistant professor, then head of the department, then dean of entire Sanstha, then principal of an engineering college for 9 years. And then finally, now I am on management, like, director of all engineering colleges. So, the leadership quality, you need to be humble. You need to be, strategic thinker. You need to be very creative. So expert team builder, these skills are very important. And then if you are not doing this, you need to learn. You may think time management क्या होता है? मेरा 9:30 का कॉलेज रहता, मैं 8:30 बजे घर से निकलता. No, that is not time management. Time management is everything in time and time for everything. You want to follow your hobby. Yes, you should have time. You have to give family time. Yes, you have to share your time for family. You should have some 1 hour for new learnings. You should give 1 hour exclusively for your employability enhancement. You will become outdated. You need to be always updated, and you need to be always required by your organization and other organizations also. So you need to be an updated version of yours, always and best version of yours. So that need learnings. So reliability, mentorship, continuous time for teaching, continuous time for learning, continuous time for improving you as an employee. That is the very theme. MDP is about that. It's about growth mindset. It's about growth of individual. So communication, empathy, ये सब बहुत है. Leader should be good mentor. Never order something. I don't remember in my life of like in last 20 years, I'm almost into an admin post. Since I've shifted as a dean of academics and student affairs, I was like into a leadership role. And since then, for last 20 years, I don't remember ever that I have scolded someone. I mean, that is my personality trait. But then mentoring people, leading with your own examples, starting work of your own. It is always we and not me. You have to do that. I never use this word at all. It has been like, let us do this. We have to do this. I'll take out my notepad and I'll start writing down the planning, and people take over. That is how it works. So you have to be mentoring position always. Even if you are dealing with students, if you are dealing with your employees, you are dealing with your junior staff, you are dealing with your subordinates, please see to it that you should behave like a senior. And best seniority shown is mentorship. Guide them. Make them understand that you know it better. Self branding का ज़माना है. उसको जो नहीं आता वो आपको आ रहा है, वो आप उसको सिखा रहे हो. ये बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होता है टीम लीडरशिप का. The moment people under you, juniors under you, realize that there's a lot to learn from my senior, he immediately become a wonderful teammate, amazing, obedient, I should not use this word, but obedient team member. क्योंकि जब उसको समझ जाए कि अरे सर से तो इतना सीखने लायक है, मैडम से तो कितना सीखने लायक है, and she is always eager, he is hungry to give knowledge. That is something which leadership should speak about. There has to be always something new you should tell them, and that works like anything. You have to be taskmaster, deadlines, expert in your own domain. If you're not expert, see, technical know-how about your subject. If you are expert in finance, HR, whatever, you should have 3 courses additionally done, maybe on Coursera, maybe on edX, maybe on Udemy for that matter, but you should be more learned than your juniors. That is the fundamental thing. अगर आपके जूनियर सारे PhD हैं, तो आप PhD गाइड बनना चाहिए. आपने गाइड करके 5 स्टूडेंट करने चाहिए. So that your knowledge should reflect that and should extract and respect. गाइड नहीं करना चाहिए ना, तो रिस्पेक्ट आते रहेगा कि और सर को कितना आता है, मैडम कितनी नॉलेजेबल है, सर की स्किल्स कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमको कब आएगी. The kind of importance they should feel about you is about showcasing your knowledge, is about showcasing your eagerness to teach them, mentor them, guide them. The leadership skills which they may require tomorrow is something, a model of, that leader and follower model आना चाहिए. वो model जब तक develop नहीं होता अपने में, तब तक नहीं होता. Every time somebody comes and then if he says कि मेरे तो 18 पेपर रिसर्च पेपर लिख लिए, मैंने तो इतना टारगेट कंप्लीट कर लिया, मेरे तो ये मार्केटिंग की स्ट्रेटेजी है जो वर्क कर गई और आपने दी वाली फेल हो गई, ये चलेगा ही नहीं. The leader, the master, the head, the project lead, she has to be expert in his her domain. अपनी एक्सपर्टीज क्लियर कट डिस्प्ले होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं क्या बात कर रहा, मैं तो PhD किया हूं. तुमने PhD किया लेकिन लगते तो नहीं. The way you talk, the way you mentor, the way you display your knowledge, the way you talk about the concepts, the way you negotiate, the way you impress, the way you talk, the way you address publicly, that should show that you are a senior, learned, doctorate and 20 years experience. लगते तो नहीं. जो लगना है और वो अपने आप नहीं लगता, जिंदगी कट जाती है लोगों की, 20-20 साल सीनियर लोग मैंने देखे, they cannot show their leadership, they are not able to prove their knowledge even to their own small team like 10 and 12 15 team, तो नहीं चलता. Leadership means your maturity, your good decision maker, your patience, your humbleness. जितने बड़े बन जाओ उतना humble बनना पड़ेगा. The moment you are humble, people will start respecting. You will not demand respect. People, I have stupid leaders I have seen, including big vice chancellors of many universities. मेरे को कोई गिनता ही नहीं, मैंने बुलाने का कोई आता नहीं. अरे you don't display that maturity, you don't make people feel that you should be respected. वो आपकी गलती है. So point is, you really have to display that maturity, that you are more qualified. How they will come to know? They will not believe in your CV. आपका CV देखेंगे क्या कि नहीं सर के अंडर तो 12 PhD स्टूडेंट हो गए, मेरे अंडर अभी like last 10-12 years 13 doctorates are awarded. So if I say I have 13 PhDs guided on my various topics, nobody will believe. But the way I display my knowledge, people should feel, यार सर आपने तो कई PhD गाइड किए होंगे. You know, that is the point. लगते तो नहीं हो ना, और जब लगते नहीं तो लीडरशिप फेल हो जाती है. And I have hundreds of such examples wherein we have seen that more knowledge, more skills, more competencies, more expertise, more maturity, more humble, more patience, more, because you are senior. ये जब तक हम ध्यान में रखते, बाय डिफॉल्ट आप एचओडी बन गए हो, बाय डिफॉल्ट आप प्रोजेक्ट लीड बन गए, बाय डिफॉल्ट आप प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बन गए, वो बन गए, सीनियरिटी से बन गए, नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स से भी बन सकते बहुत बार. But that will never ensure a perfect obedient team, a healthy team, because they don't feel like you are there. I mean, these are all interpersonal, you know, and then there are so many non-verbal. People don't learn. I mean, these things are to be learned. Best thing is, let me tell you, all these things, all what I'm talking about, ये इतने skills मैंने बात कर ली, all these are to be learned. You cannot say this was not in my syllabus. No. But this is what you will be needing it. आपका सब्जेक्ट आपको काम में आ रहा है सिर्फ 60 मिनट क्लास के अंदर, लेकिन दिन भर जो आपकी बिहेवियरल साइंस है, जो आपने शायद एक आध दो सब्जेक्ट सीखे हैं, वो उसको सीखना पड़ता है. I you know, you will not believe, critical thinking and creativity and critical thinking, these words are coming up, like NEP is also popping up these subjects. Everybody is talking about that students should have creativity, startup culture में creativity. I have like taken hundreds of sessions on startup culture, you know, developing innovative ideas, how to lead from a project to, you know, from a simple project to a successful business venture. ऐसे बहुत सारे सेशंस लिए, लेकिन वो, you know, the point is, what is your preparation? Are you a leader? Are you knowing and mastering about all that? ये अगर मेरे को नहीं पता रहा तो आप फेल हो जाओगे. पॉइंट इसी में है कि you have to make people understand that I know better. अब creativity, critical thinking बहुत जगह मैंने सुना था. Then I searched कि can I do a complete course on creativity? And then I found one course, and I was fortunate to attain that. It was in Technische University Berlin. So I physically traveled there. I did a course of 8 days on critical thinking and creativity. Morning 9 o'clock we used to start up to 6 p.m. in the evening. And you will not believe, I did that course. I stayed in an architecture department, because architecture people are like, you know, they can visualize. They have 3D visualization. They are artists. They are painters. They are sketchers. They have intuitions. They can create something which they have never seen. So they are innovators. So, you know, creativity is one requirement if you really want to become a designer, if you want to be an architect, if you want to be a fashion designer, if you really want to design, you know, anything, any product design. So you need to be creative, because you have to create something new which no one has seen, which is not available on Google, which is not available on YouTube. And you are creating something which is never seen by anybody, but will be liked by everyone, is something which is creativity. And I did 7 days rigorous course on creativity. I tell you, I could understand thousands of dimensions of creativity, how to inculcate in yourself and how to inculcate. So critical thinking, creative course किया मैंने. I was like fond of admission भी लिया MBA में, but I could not do. I mean, I'm talking, I know most of the audience are MBA. I like, you know, 98 I took admission, MBA करना, but I could not do. I filled form again after 2 years, I could not do. But then management skills are like, you know, that was my favorite thing. I always wanted to be in administration. I won, you know, I contested 4 times IST national elections which was a very skill-based issue. You have to win votes throughout India. वो भी management का एक बहुत important है कि how to win an election. And I could win 4 successive elections back to back national level. Becoming national executive of IST, becoming secretary of Maharashtra, Goa, entire 2 states for 6 years successive. ये सब management skills है और इसके लिए you need leadership. So that those are all things. तो ऐसे मैंने कई कोर्स किए. मैंने I wanted to do when I started, people inviting me on lectures on startup and all that, and I thought अरे मैंने तो कुछ ठीक से सीखा नहीं है. Out of experience I used to talk. So I did a formal course in University of Edinburgh Business School, which is like top 10 in the world. Physically traveled to Scotland. I stayed with the management department, business school, and I could do the courses on how to develop a social hub, how to design a business canvas, which will incorporate social entrepreneurship and so on and so forth. I did a complete course there at the university where more than 200 Nobel laureates are passed out. Please see to it. It's all this thing I have been doing after my 25 years of experience into this thing. That doesn't mean I should stop learning. In last 4 years, I must have done 24 new courses, online, offline, traveling to various universities. This startup, this thing, social innovation and social entrepreneurship, I did in Israel. I've been traveling Israel quite a long, बहुत बार जाके आया. And they are amazing in entrepreneurship. If there is a class, PG class of 60 students on MTech or MBA entrepreneurship, every person out of those 60 will become an entrepreneur. No one will go for job. Is the kind of culture it is developed during those 2 years of management course. That is the management course, that everyone should feel like I am spending my 2 years, I am investing my 2 years on entrepreneurship. I must become an entrepreneur. So all those needs, that is where we understand the very purpose, the growth mindset, and that all those things are. So leader should be what? I mean, there's a long list. You can see that. So Israel, I found 3 important things. I have traveled Israel to most of the good universities. Tel Hai, Tel Aviv, Haifa, Jaffa, Saknin, HDC, Herzliya. When all those universities we have been working, we are tied up with them. I've been working with all of them. Traveled a lot. अभी recent उनका scene जो भी है उसके पहले की बात बता रहा हूँ. It was since 17 to 19. But all these things are to be learned. Please understand that all these are you learn. You need a continuous motivation. And now that can happen. People will make and allow you to learn from them if you know what we speak and how we speak. It's all about communication. The most important skill for a teammate, for a leader, for a growth mindset of organization, for a good employee, जो बातें अच्छी करता है ना, he is loved by everyone. Please understand what we speak and how we speak. See, content is fine. In the classroom, if you are teaching, you have to deliver. If you are doing a presentation, you have a content. Content is important, but how you present is still important. I mean, that's more important rather, because the way you express, the way you talk, you may forget. People may not get impacted with the content because the way you presented was not right. So communication is something which is so important. It's a skill, practice it. It's a science, learn it. It's an art, study and acquire it. It is a technique, use it cleverly. It's so important. Let us not think that somebody is born. Vakta dasa sahastreshu. पहले संस्कृत सुभाषित है 10 सहस्त्र लोकांमध्ये एक वक्ता असतो पर अरे इट्स मॅटर ऑफ प्रॅक्टिस. People don't dare, they are not practicing it daily talk 1 hour, record yourself. I mean, this media has facilitated you like anything. Develop your YouTube channel, start talking to people, understand the response, please be an open for your open feedback from your peer, from your public. Why not? वो करो एक बार, बोलने सीखो तो पता चला आपको एक साथ 15 नेगेटिव थम्स डाउन आ जाएंगे तो you will come to know that you are not doing well. और हो सकता है आपको सीधा 10K, 20K, 50K फॉलोअर्स आ जाए. इट इज ऑल अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन. कंटेंट का समुंदर लगा हुआ है मीडिया पे, बट हाउ यू प्रेजेंट इज समथिंग. इट्स अ साइंस, इट्स अ टेक्निक, इट्स एन आर्ट. प्लीज स्टडी इट फॉर्मली. ये सारे टॉपिक्स ना फॉर्मली पढ़ने का समय निकालना पड़ता है. आपने MBA कर लिया होगा, PhD कर लिया होगा, आपके सब्जेक्ट की एक्सपर्टीज कर ली होंगी, HR, फाइनेंस. नो, दैट इज नॉट इनफ. Enough is not enough because the way you communicate, it's your body language, it's your facial expressions, the way you dress up, the way you smile, everything will count and make you a package whether you are an accepted employee or a rejected, whether you are ignored or whether you are valued. So many people come to me and ask, I do a lot of counseling, career counseling. People don't value me. People don't understand me. People ignore me because you let them do that. Please understand. लोग मेरे को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. अरे आप इग्नोर करने वाली ही व्यवस्था का निर्माण कर रहे हो. इग्नोर क्यों कर रहे हैं आपको? क्योंकि आप इग्नोर करने वाले जैसे ही काम कर रहे हो. The point is, the moment you are ignoring, then people will also ignore. You are not impressive enough through your dressing, through your, through your presentation, through your logic, through your all those convincing power. ये अगर आप में है ही नहीं तो लोग आपको क्यों सुनेंगे? So that is the point. That is the point. International Business by Rajkumar Pathak. I'm reading. बीच में मैं थोड़ा चैट भी देख रहा हूँ. Vikram Dongre, Microfinance. Yes, Pranjali Madam. Yes. Okay, PPT was not operational and HR. Fine. Keep posting it. Keep writing whatever, something about my slides also if you really want to opine on that. Yes, it's all learning together. So let this chat box be more interactive and see to it that we will, work upon our own self. After this session, we will have some good take homes, and that is the purpose. So, body language, facial expression, ये सब कुछ ही चलेगा. This is all required. First impression is the last. Most of the time, there is a mauka, the opportunity that there will be opportunity to make a second impression as your better impression, but that's very, very difficult. Before you spell a single word, your personality speaks. Be neat, clean, well dressed. ये सब कुछ बहुत सीखना पड़ता है. प्रॉब्लम है कि लोगों को लगता है कि ये मेरी पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स है. नहीं, पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स है, लेकिन उसको इम्प्रूव करना है, उसको डेवलप करना है, उसको एक्सेलेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. यू नीड टू बी टेक्निकली साउंड. आई ऑलवेज टेल, if you are a head of management, if you are boss of something, if you are heading a project team, if you are heading a small team, you have to be more intelligent, more smarter than the team, and you have to impress upon them that you are better. Let us commit all. To improve is to change, to be perfect is to change often. आज हम जो है, if you still feel that you are not given enough importance, you are not paid well, you are not given importance, you are ignored, you are sidelined. So it is you and you who are responsible for all that. Please stop blaming anyone for your career. Because if they find useful, everyone in this country, in this world, on this planet, I should say, want useful people. The moment you are ignored, the moment you are sidelined, the moment you are not listened, the moment you don't get sound ears to listen, the moment you are not obeyed, मतलब गलती आपकी है. और ये एक्सेप्ट करना सबसे पहली स्टेप है हमारी ग्रोथ माइंडसेट की. सो टू इंप्रूव इज टू चेंज एंड टू बी परफेक्ट इज टू चेंज ऑफन. इफ यू रियली वांट टू बी परफेक्ट, यू हैव टू चेंज ऑफन. मैं तो परफेक्ट था, मैं तो आईआईटी का पास आउट हूँ. नो, आई एम अहमदाबाद का हूँ. कोई काम के नहीं. आप इंप्रूव हुए क्या? आई एम अहमदाबाद के पास आउट आप 2020 के थे. 4 साल में जमाना बदल गया, दुनिया बदल गई. तो आप अगर 2020 के पास आउट है ना, तो आपको पूरी तरह बदलना है अब तक तो, क्योंकि जमाना 4 साल में कहां से कहां चले गया. टीचिंग टेक्निक्स बदल गई, मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स बदल गई, न्यू फॉर्मूलेज आ गए, न्यू टेक्निक्स आ गए, न्यू मेथड्स, न्यू पोजीशंस, न्यू प्रोसेसेस, न्यू मेथोडोलॉजीज. सब कुछ नया आ गया यार 4 साल में. सो इफ यू आर पास्ड आउट ऑफ 4 years बैक, यू आर आउटडेटेड. You need to upgrade, you need to update, you need to upgrade yourself, learn new thing, and to be perfect. And whatever new changes are coming up, you have to adopt it. Adopt the change. It's not the strongest species that will survive, nor the most intelligent. It is the most adaptable to the change. Charles Darwin का ही sentence है. Adaptable रहना पड़ेगा. मेरे को बदलना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि रोज जमाना बदल रहा है. See, I tell you, my doctorate was in 1994. I got awarded. Exact 30 साल हो गए. 30 years back, I got my doctorate awarded. So क्या करूँ उसका भी? Is it relevant? Can I tell people I am doctorate? No, I'm not. Don't tell us. You are hardly irrelevant. If I can tell you that last year I did 4 these courses, they are very useful, very relevant, very important for our students, for our employees, for our teachers, for our teams, for our management. That is something everyone will welcome. So please start changing yourself. Just count that change and that you'll never underestimate your people are into this mode, हमारे यहाँ तो वो है. People start blaming Start putting on excuses. Please don't do that. You are much more than what you think. वो मेरे यहाँ बायसिंग हो गया, मेरे यहाँ तो फेवरिज्म होता है, मेरे को तो आगे नहीं लेके गए. अरे बेटा, you showed it. You allowed them to do all that because you could not manage your image. आप अपनी इमेज ही वो मैनेज नहीं कर पाए कि आपकी ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है. आपकी ग्रोथ के चक्कर में आपकी इंस्टीट्यूट की भी बहुत ग्रोथ होने वाली है. One thing let me tell you, you can do whatever you decide. You cannot ask me to do. You cannot ask your sibling, younger brother को भी आप बोलोगे ये कर, पढ़ाई कर, वो नहीं करेगा. पर आप अपने आप को बोलो पढ़ाई कर, तो आप तो कर ही सकते ना. Please understand, you are your master. There is nothing about you. Please remember the last sentence on my slide. There is nothing about you which you cannot do. अरे यार, तुमको करना है और तुमको लग रहा है कि इन्हें करना चाहिए, तो इसमें कौन रोकने वाला है? If you feel कि you will study 2 hours extra in the night daily, who's going to stop you? रात को मैं 11 बजे से 1 बजे तक अगर कोई पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूं तो कौन रोक रहा है? मेरी ग्रोथ हो जाएगी उसमें. मेरे को ही लग रहा है और मेरे को ही करना है. बट इफ यू आस्क मी, तुम ये करो, तुम वो करो, नो, इट वोंट happen. It may happen, it may not happen. But please never underestimate yourself. God doesn't create garbage. You all are special. You all are very unique. But only commitment is missing. Please commit yourself. I want to do it. I will. If I'm special, I am blessed, I am unique. God doesn't create garbage. ऊपर से कचरा बना के थोड़ी जमीन पे फेंक दिया कि जाओ कुछ भी पढ़ो, नौकरी करो, रिटायर हो जाओ, मर जाओ. उसके लिए भेजा कि हमको नहीं. हमको इस दुनिया को इन्फ्लुएंस करना है पॉजिटिवली. वी नीड टू इन्फ्लुएंस. यू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक रोल गिवन बाय गॉड to reach out to this planet, to understand, make this society a better place, make your family more happier, make your community more happier, more merrier, more comfortable. ये जवाबदारी आपको दी है ऊपर वाले ने. Please understand and count on that. Count on that. Understand. Take reports every day. Ki what I have contributed to my society, to my people, to my family, to my kids, to my spouse. What is that positive impact which I have done to my organization, to my state, my country, this planet. थोड़ा ज्यादा फिलोसॉफिकल लग रहा है, लेकिन ये बहुत जरूरी है. अगर मैं ये सोच ही नहीं रहा हूं ना कि मेरे को क्या करना है, प्लीज 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 बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ एंड जस्ट यू कैन रिपीट दिस सेंटेंसेस. यू कैन राइट डाउन इन चैट बॉक्स ये वाले सेंटेंस जो मेरे स्क्रीन पे. कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, एक अफर्मेशन आता है, एक पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्रिएट अ डायरी एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. आई वांट टू डू इट. आई विल डू इट. आई एम डिफरेंट. आई एम स्पेशल. आई एम ब्लेस्ड. आई एम यूनिक. आई एम exclusive. I can do whatever I can think. This is something which is so important. And please understand, who is illiterate, You're not ready to change, you are illiterate. You are not updating yourself, you are illiterate. You are not unlearning what you have learned in schools 10 years back, you are outdated. Please learn to learn, learn to unlearn, and learn to relearn. These 3 fundamental things. People don't even understand how to learn. Please don't do that. Please understand the latest current learning techniques. I deliver sessions on learning skills. Learning skills होते हैं, कैसे भी थोड़ी सीख सकते. It's a learning skills. So please see to it that you will learn to unlearn and use whatever hundreds of sources they are there. पर हम अगर करना नहीं चाहे तो कैसा होगा? 6 important communication skills I'll discuss, and we'll switch over to the another important point. Command on at least 4 languages. Hindi becoming national, English become international, regional. If you are in Gujarat, you should know Gujarati. If you are in, Tamil Nadu, you should learn Tamil. If you are in Maharashtra, you must speak good Marathi, because that will create a fundamental connect. And one foreign language, that's an optional, I'll say, but it's very important. German, French, Japanese. Start learning to appreciate people. Be a good listener. Listen to eminent speakers. Convincing power, confidence, and logical thinking. These are 6 important points. You must take it to the heart that no, I will be, mother tongue is Marathi. My mother tongue is Marathi. And I cannot even speak good Marathi. That is so shame on you. And then people will give excuses ki every 10 miles boli bhasha badalte. Fine. But there is a grammar. There is English grammar, Marathi grammar, व्याकरण है. हिंदी ग्रामर है ना, उसको तो हम गलत नहीं कर सकते. वो तो फंडामेंटल्स है अपने लैंग्वेज के. तो वी शुड स्पीक वेरी वेल. You should have command on, the word is command on Hindi, English, original language. Even I did my 10th standard in Marathi, like I was into best school in Nagpur, Somalbag. But We had Itihas, Bhugol, Nagarik Shastra. I never studied history, geography in English. So it was that, but that doesn't mean that I will not speak fluently. There are only two accents acceptable worldwide, that is American and English. So please see to it that what you speak coming under these two categories. Please assess yourself on these. This is the checklist. You can give it to your peer. If you are delivering, if you are taking a lecture, if you are addressing a meeting, please give this checklist to somebody who is very close to you and who can assess you on these things. And tell them, you please assess me on a point of scale of 5. Variety and variability, audibility, pace, speech, articulation and pronunciation, emphasis, pause, energy and enthusiasm. There has to be energy. If you are talking to someone and there is no energy, it won't work. Audibility, pace, emphasis. There is always 2-3 points in the speech of 25 minutes of lecture or meeting address. You have some 4 points to be emphasized. Please remember back of mind that every time you say, you have to keep emphasizing those points. There has to be an absolute energy and enthusiasm. You have to raise your energy bar to the higher level so that all the audience will be raised at higher energy level, so that the knowledge transfer, the energy transfer, the information transfer, the energy transfer will be happening at higher energy level with more energy and enthusiasm. ये होना चाहिए ना. मैं अगर शुरुआत ही ठीक से नहीं कर रहा हूं तो मेरी बातें कोई सुनने ही नहीं वाले. Clear cut eye contact, gestures and movements have to be very pleasant as per body language concepts. अब body language पढ़ना पड़ेगा. आप जो कुछ कर रहे हो, आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, wrong body language है. आप पैर wave कर रहे हो, that's a bad language. So how to shake hand? There are 10 types of different shake hands people do, but only one is good. That is a firm shake hand. If you do like this, अगर आपने हाथ नीचे कर लिया है, रिक्वेस्टिंग दिख रहा तो आपका रिक्वेस्टिंग मोड दिखता है. आपने ऊपर कर लिया तो आप डोमिनेटिंग हो जाते हो. आप स्ट्रेट करते हो तो आप लूज करते हो तो आप फर्म हैंडशेक करते हो. हैंडशेक में 10 प्रकार है, which talks about your personality. Please learn this body language thing once for all, so that in lifetime you will be displaying right kind of, Please see to it. I mean, all these things are so important. I'll skip. The most important in the organization is झगड़ा. झगड़ा, मेरा उससे बनता नहीं, मेरा उससे बनता नहीं, मेरा बॉस मेरे को झाप दिया, मैंने बॉस से गुस्सा कर लिया, हमारा झगड़ा हो गया. Please have same goals. You see, this picture is very favorite of mine. कितना भी कुछ कर लो यार, आप अलग और वो अलग रहोगे तो जिंदगी दोनों को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. See the last line in the last picture in this one. Please arrange your goals, because you're working for the same cause. You're working for same organization, same project, same purpose, same industry, same client. We are working, same students. If we are working on the same thing, you need to be together. You cannot have difference like this. You can see in the picture. You have to come together to see to it that you can finish up all the tasks and take it to the growth. These conflicts are to be specifically resolved. Agree to disagree. Be issue focused. Debate on it. Don't fight. People fight, तेरे को नहीं समझता, मेरे को. No, please, you can't do that. People debate होना चाहिए. Positive debate. Understand his points, understand your points. Let us negotiate. Agree to disagree. If we have different opinions, but yes, we can together as a person can still work for the growth of the organization, is something which is a win-win negotiation thing. Respect others' opinion. उसको कम समझता ये सोच के अगर आदमी काम करेगा तो नहीं होगा. We listen to others to reply and not to understand. Please don't reply. Don't jump on the opinions and your suggestions. Please understand first. Understand and then reply. हम लोग जवाब ही दे देते फट से. तुमने गलत किया. अरे तू उसको समझ तो लो पहले. So conflicts spoil everything. Leadership, team buildings, conflicts से एकदम दूर रहना है. और conflict होना तय है. You cannot avoid. You have to resolve. You have to manage. Conflict management is a very important thing. Time management. Time management is life management. Time management is career management. I'll request all of you to take this simple tip and you can grow like anything. You need to create a logbook to find out your wastage of time. Morning, every 1 hour, I did this, and you have to do this for only 1 week. Monday you start and end it in the next Sunday. And what you have to do, you have to create a logbook. The moment you wake up in the morning, You will just write down 6 to 7. Every 1 hour is completed and you will write into a diary or your notepad in the mobile or whatever. But you have to mention and you have to write it down and note it down at what you have done in last 1 hour. You did exercise, you did chatting, you read book, you did nothing. You did nothing. You did only net surfing, which was useless. You did some social media surfing, maybe it was useless, not required in the morning hours. You did nothing can be something which you can write down. Please write down. This logbook writing on wastage of time works like anything. I have done many time management workshops. अभी रोटरी के लिए किया है. उन्होंने तो ग्रुप बना के हम लोग साथ में काम कर रहे हैं अभी 2 रोटरी के क्लब्स के साथ कि they are working on this wastage of time and they could find that अरे मेरे को तो अभी हारमोनियम सीखना था वो भी टाइम मिल गया. अभी हम फैमिली के साथ एवरी अल्टरनेट डे कॉफी पीने जा रहे हैं. इतना समय मिल गया लोगों को just because they could understand that how much time they are wasting. Time for everything and everything for time. Another important thing, direction of thoughts. We just sit down and chill out and forget that मैं आधे घंटे से तो कुछ तो ऐसी चीजें सोच रहा हूँ जो मेरे को सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. So please mind well. Mind wanders. मन तो भटकता है सबका मेरा आपका, पर उसको वापस लाने की भी तो thought होना चाहिए ना. What's more important for me at this moment is more important for me. You are much more powerful than your mind. दिमाग मन आपका नहीं है. मन आपके लिए काम नहीं कर रहा. आप मन के लिए. मन आपका है. आप मन के नहीं हो. मन को जहां चाहिए घूमते रहेगा और आपका समय बर्बाद करेगा. नो टाइम मैनेजमेंट के लिए मन पर काबू. टफ है, सुनने के लिए टफ है, लेकिन हो जाता है, आराम से होता है. सो प्लीज स्टॉप योरसेल्फ, चेक योरसेल्फ इन एवरी 15 मिनट्स. आई एम थिंकिंग समथिंग नॉनसेंस. आई एम वंडरिंग कोई इंस्टाग्राम रील देख लिया और मैं वही सोचते बैठा हूं क्या, तो आई हैव टू कम बैक. प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आर 2 बैड हैबिट्स which everyone should get rid of. कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. I have time. यूनिवर्सल बैड हैबिट है. कल डेडलाइन है ना शाम को, तो फिर कल सुबह कर लेंगे. प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शन विल ईट आउट योर टाइम. आपका समय खा डालेंगे. आज भी आप कर नहीं रहे हो, आप कुछ नहीं किए. कल सुबह जो दूसरा अच्छा काम करना था, एक्सरसाइज करना था, उस टाइम आप प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहे हो. कल सुबह फैमिली के साथ मस्त घूमने जाना था, उस टाइम पे आप प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहे हो, क्योंकि जो प्रेजेंटेशन का टाइम था वो आज था, वो आपने पोस्टपोन कर दिया. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. प्लीज, दैट इज so important and big task first. There are so many things I have to talk about, but I just request you that please note down whatever you can. Prioritization in your life can make you a fastest member for your growth mindset. अपनी ग्रोथ पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा ना. मेरे को ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, बहुत समय मिलता है. अब people tell me, I mean all those who are following me on social media can understand. I have fixed time for everything. हर एक मिनट अगर मेरे को चिल करना है उसका भी टाइम लिखा हुआ है. अगर मेरे को दोस्तों के साथ कॉफी पीने जाना है, लिखा है. फैमिली के साथ चाय पीना है, वो भी लिखा हुआ है. पार्टी करना है, वो भी लिखा है. लिखा होना चाहिए. डेडलाइंस, टाइम फ्रेम्स, so important in your life. Everything will get organized. Your performance will get enhanced like anything. Because you have time for everything. You are not missing out anything. You are doing something for hobby. You are enjoying with your family time. You have good friends time. You have टपरी time. You have जो कुछ करना है सब कुछ कर सकते हो. दुनिया में 24 घंटे सभी के पास है. मोदी जी के पास भी 24 घंटे हैं. सुंदर पिचाई के पास भी 24 घंटे थे. अपने पास, मेरे पास और आपके पास भी. God has not created any favorism in giving time to all of us. Please see to it that you use that. Do your SWOT analysis is something again very important. Unless I know my strengths, I cannot work upon that. Strength को एकदम जैसा मैंने सोच लिया था कि मेरे को रिसर्च में मजा आ रहा है. I did lot of research. I love traveling. So like I've been collaborating university. Sorry again, I'm not boasting and I hope I am among the top senior. age wise और experience wise मैं आपसे senior हूँ, इसलिए share कर रहा हूँ experience में. I'm not boasting myself at all. You all will do amazing in your life and already doing great in your career. पर मेरे को जैसे 2015-16 में रियलाइज हो गया कि 15-16 PhD हो गई यार, बहुत करना, अब क्या करना. 13 PhD अवार्ड हो गई. I thought that no, traveling is my passion. I should travel more and more universities. I started traveling from 2016. I started with Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. ये सब start किया, then Dubai, and then finally I got very good opportunity in Europe. Currently, I'm working with 23 European universities as their team members, as their project partners, as their syllabus framing team. I'm the training module developer. कोई ना कोई capacity में मैं ये 23 यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ जुड़ा हूँ जहाँ पे मैं travel कर रहा हूँ regular. So You have to find out your strengths. I know I can convince people. I know I can talk. I know I can travel. मैं 2 घंटे लेक्चर लेने के लिए मैं मणिपाल जाके आया. पूरा दिन ट्रैवल किया, नागपुर, मुंबई, मुंबई से मैंगलोर, मैंगलोर से मणिपाल कार से, फिर मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट, MIT इंस्टीट्यूट देखनी थी एक बार, तो वहां पे मैं 2 घंटे का शाम को 6 से 8 लेक्चर लिया और फिर पूरा ट्रैवल करके वापस, क्योंकि ट्रैवलिंग इज माय हॉबी. अभी मैं आई वाज इन लिस्बन, पोर्तुगाल. 3 घंटे की मीटिंग थी, सिर्फ 3 घंटे की मीटिंग के लिए आई ट्रैवल 2 फुल डेज. यहाँ से दोहा, दोहा से कतार एयरलाइंस, कतार एयरलाइंस से बर्लिन, एंड फ्रॉम बर्लिन टू लिस्बन. यू नो, इतने फ्लाइट बदल के सब कुछ किया, लेकिन मेरे को मजा आ रहा है ना. आई नो आई कुड डू समथिंग विच इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर माई इंस्टीट्यूशन, फॉर माई peer, for my colleagues. So I could do that, because listing out your own strengths is very, very important. Please list out your strengths. And more importantly, एक बार strength adjust हो गई, start appreciating. एक last slide है हमारा 8 को, ये है, you know, improving performance, leadership, teamwork, सब कुछ 5 मिनट में improve हो जाएगा. वातावरण अच्छा हो जाएगा, खुशनुमा हो जाएगा. Because you are living in a society, please mind my words, you are living in a society which is underappreciated. ये 3 लाल अक्षर लिखे, बहुत ही खराब लगता है, it's painful. You are living in a society which is underappreciated, unacknowledged and unrewarded. ये आपके administrative skills में आ गया. Rewards and incentives, underappreciated. People don't appreciate. I ask people, when you were appreciated last, and they start scratching their heads. 3 साल पहले मैंने नया शर्ट पहना था, उसकी तारीफ किया था. बाबा, वो शर्ट की तारीफ हुई थी, तेरी तारीफ कब हुई थी? People are deprived of तारीफ, you know, appreciation, acknowledgement, rewards. People are deprived of all this, and that's a key to happiness. And happy group can perform 10 times better if that happiness component is living healthy in your department, in your team, in your organization, in your family, in your friendships. If that happiness, and how happiness at your work, at your home, at your organization, कहीं भी जहाँ लोग खुश है ना, वहाँ कितने भी घंटे काम कर सकते हैं. I still remember, like I was 9 years principal, और आज भी वही है. 9 साल principal था. I had like vice principal and 3-4 deans, dean of research, dean of academic. If I keep working up to 8 o'clock, उन्होंने मेरे को देखा केबिन में कि मैं 7 बजे तक बैठा हूँ. No one will even think of leaving the college. There was no force. Everyone can leave anytime if they have work for something else, but they will not. That was the connection which was formed out of administration. So please start, create a list. इसके लिए तो मैं छोटा सा उपाय बता देता हूँ. एक कॉपी कर लीजिए and write down. Get a copy and just write down daily morning hours are best for this. Daily morning उठिए and write down 4 names to whom you want to appreciate. Write down 2 names to whom you want to acknowledge, and write down 2-3 names to whom you want to reward. Please try this. You come to, all of you are welcome to my office. You will see that I follow all these things for last so many years. When students come to my cabin, I have cup full of chocolates to them. When teachers come to me, I have something to offer them. At least a seat and a cup of coffee. Underappreciated दुनिया है, बहुत ज्यादा unappreciated है, unacknowledged है, unrewarded है. एक फूल तक नहीं मिलता. रिवॉर्ड मतलब कोई 100 रुपए 500 रुपए का नहीं लेना है, 10 रुपए का रोज लेके दे देना है. आप अगर 20 रुपए का पेन यूज करते हैं तो 10 रुपए के 2 खरीदिए. एक अपने पीयर के लिए, कलीग के लिए, अपने दोस्त के लिए ले जाए कि भैया ये 10 रुपए वाला पेन एक लिया, 2 ले लिया, तेरे लिए भी ले लिया. You don't need budget, you need attitude, you need planning for making people happy. Please try to understand. Start doing this by writing down your agenda. कि आज 5 लोगों को खुश किया, 5 लोगों को थैंक यू बोला, 5 लोगों को अप्रिशिएट किया और 3 लोगों को रिवॉर्ड दिया. गेट फ्लावर्स, गेट पेन. 5 रुपए की पेंसिल दे देना यार. मैं तो वो शॉर्ट्स रहते मेरे पास, कैडबरी के 2 वाले, वो दे देता हूँ. Students are so happy into it and they start working for ourselves. Please see to it that you create a happy soul out of you, a person who is absolutely into growth mindset. Consider yourself always not updated so that you will keep updating yourself. Updation is the mantra. Upgradation is the mantra. Happiness component with appreciation, incentives, and acknowledgements is the mantra. Time management is so important. Set your goals. So write down your copy. Find out what you can do. Write down your strengths and see to it that you will nurture your strength to the level you have never imagined of the success which you have done. Thank you so much, all of you, for wonderful audience, and thank you so much, Julelal Institute of Technology. All administrators are good friend of mine there, and thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Mobina, and over to you. And I'm open for questions. Thank you. You can take out my, you can note down my all credentials. You can just type Vivek Nanoti on any of the social media. I love to collaborate and network. That's my forte. So my number is 9822233286. I'm available on WhatsApp. You just type Vivek Nanoti on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. किसी भी चीज पे अभी भी जाइए तो आपको सुबह से मेरे 2 पोस्ट दिख जाएंगे. Because I have understood the importance of social media. Please start identifying your strengths. But being good is not enough. You have to showcase it. And it's so easy these days. आपको होर्डिंग नहीं लगाना है 1 लाख रुपए का, आपको पेपर ऐड नहीं देना है 3 लाख की, आपको अपना सोशल मीडिया वाइजली यूज करना है. I have 26,000 followers on LinkedIn, which pays me back like anything. हर महीने 2-4 कंट्री से इनविटेशन रहते हैं. ऑनलाइन होता है, फिजिकल होता है, ऑफलाइन होता है. इट्स सो अमेजिंग टू कनेक्ट पीपल बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग एंड सोशल मीडिया pays like anything. So please use social media smartly to network, to collaborate, to learn, to travel, and make yourself stronger, better, and a best version of yourself. Thank you so much. And I'm open for questions if any. Over to Mobina, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So, participants, if you have any kind of questions, any queries related to this session or not related to sessions,
Still.
you can definitely ask. Yes.
Such a general topic that, yes, you can like ask me if I can reply, like, it's out of experience if I have something to tell.
Definitely.
Somebody has raised hand, you can switch on the mic and you can do that. Not an issue.
Even you can type your queries in the messages.
अपन ने उनका माइक डिसेबल किया हुआ है क्या लोगों का? नहीं ना?
नहीं सर.
नहीं, fine. Okay. Thank you.
So no queries? Should we assume that there are no queries? Because there were few participants during the session who raised their hands. Ujjwala ma'am, Ujjwala ma'am, your hand is raised. So if you have any query, you can ask. No problem.
Yeah, I'm reading some of these. Sir, actually, many women will agree with many people will pass a comment or remarks like कब तक पढ़ती ही रहेंगी. Come on, I mean, this is like Women's Day आ रहा है. मैं last Women's Day पे मैंने 6 sessions लिए हैं, and but due to perception, my confidence will become. And Samruddhi madam, I agree. But this component and percentage is like in the cities like Metro, Nagpur, हम जहाँ रह रहे हैं, वहाँ पे बहुत कम है. और अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो हम ही को उनको ऊपर करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, शुभम सर, thank you. Key takeaways from this session you have listed. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pranjali madam, and thank you, Dr. Swati ma'am, for thank you for everything. And I'm happy. So many of compliments in the chat. And I'm open. You can email me. You can WhatsApp me. We can be in touch anytime after this also. Yes.
So I think no queries coming up from the participants.
Sure.
Sir, you have touched upon all the important points that have been needed for enhancing our own performance, employee performance, leadership, communication, time management. I mean, everything you have stressed upon so well. So definitely today's session is very fruitful for each one of us. As a participant, as an organization, I feel that बहुत अच्छा आगाज हुआ है MDP का. So we come to the end of the session.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to the speaker of the day, Dr. Vivek Nanoti sir, for giving his kind consent and spared out his valuable time, for giving insight on the topic and sharing all his experiences about handling team, leadership, time management, creativity, communication, everything. So a big thank you to you, sir. You. It was pleasure listening to you.
Yeah. I too enjoyed interacting with all of you. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I would also like to thank our HOD, Dr. Swati Rahate ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to organize this MDP session. And my thanks to everyone who has contributed to the success of the first day.
Thank
The organizing committee, technical support from Mohit sir, non-teaching staff, faculty members, and everyone. And last but not the least, all the participants for to have an interactive session. Your compliments are coming, so
Yes.
definitely I find that the session has been very good and fruitful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
I leave the meeting now, right?
Okay, thank you, Vivek sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Swati, madam. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
हेलो मैम.
Yes, Shubham.
यस मैम, एक्चुअली मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेरी था कि जैसे जो अभी हमने ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया है, ये डेली 7 to 8 PM चलने वाला है, राइट?
Daily 7 to 8 PM रहेगा. The link would be the same for all the session.
ओके.
जो joining link थी वो
Yes, ma'am.
यही रहेगी for all the 5 days.
Okay. And ma'am, when will we receive the certificate?
So you'll receive the certificate after the MDP is over in a couple of days.
And
It
what
will
if
be mailed
my
to you.
ओके मैम. एंड अगर मैं किसी दिन अगर गलती नहीं हो पाता है, अगर पॉसिबल ये जो आने वाले दिन है उसमें एक आध दिन अगर नहीं हो पाता है तो उसमें कुछ इश्यू रहेगा?
I'll not suggest you for this. I will encourage you to join all the session because all the speakers are very good and definitely you're going to learn many things. And if you're not attending the session, you'll miss out something good. Swati ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, there will be a quiz at the end of that MDP. And for a convenient time for participants only, we have kept that duration 7 to 8 so that you can easily attend all the sessions. So we request you not to miss any session. Shubham sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Any other queries from the participants regarding the sessions or anything else? So ma'am, Swati ma'am, with all your permission, can we end up the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. All the participants are requested to join tomorrow also on time, please.